As we've been mentioning for you all morning, there are some slick spots on bridges and overpasses, and that's the main concern during this morning commute. So if you have to go out, just be careful.
Meteorologist Chris Mulcahy live near Uptown this morning with a look at these concerns. Chris.
Well, as of right now, we just have some very light drizzle and a little bit of sprinkle action going on across Uptown. And as Larry mentioned, a lot of this is struggling, trying to hit the ground. So just behind me is Uptown. Right now, temperatures are above that freezing point, but we are expecting just on and off light drizzle, so a little bit of sprinkles that could be happening, and especially on the overpasses like this one that's just over South Boulevard, it is able to cool down a lot quicker because it's cooling on either side compared to just roads where it's just going to be cooling on the surface. So that's one thing to keep in mind. I think that's the only issue that we're going to have around the area right now, seeing a little bit of drizzle, some sprinkles over the next few hours. Then after that, we're on to the next problem. We could have up to 1 to 2 inches of rain overnight tonight heading into tomorrow across the area. But of course, right now, with temperatures at 37 degrees here around Uptown, temperatures are closer to freezing the further north you go. That's where we're going to direct it to Rob Hughes in the storm tracker near Statesville. Rob?
Hey Chris, good morning to you. Hey, the potential for black ice right now, the main concern, as you guys have mentioned here, especially in the northern counties. The temperature, as Larry mentioned, right at the freezing mark, 32 degrees here in Statesville. We're going to flip it around. We are on 77 northbound in Statesville, and the roads we're seeing right now on 77, a little wet, and we know that's really all it takes to freeze over and create some icy conditions. You can expect to see icy tree branches, ice-coated windshields this morning, but the bridges and overpasses, again, the main concern. Those are the areas that freeze first. The good news, schools in the area are being proactive. Many of the school districts in the northern counties are operating on a delay. If you're headed to work this morning, just take it slow and allow yourself a little extra time. That is the key when we see icy conditions like what we are expecting to see here in the northern counties this morning. Live in the Chevy-storm-tracker in Statesville, Rob Hughes. We'll send it back to you guys.
Rob, thanks so much.